Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two of the top contenders in the premium travel rewards world, the Capital One Venture X card and the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. If you're looking for a premium travel credit card that actually gives you value for the hefty annual fee, both cards are loaded with travel perks, big rewards, and top tier benefits. But which one is truly worth it in 2025? I'll walk you through a full overview, their standout features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and of course a final conclusion. Let's start with the Capital One Venture X card. It was launched in late 2021 as Capital One's first true ultra premium travel card, and it quickly made waves for offering similar perks to elite cards like the Amex Platinum and Chase Sapphire Reserve, but with a significantly lower annual fee. Fast forward to 2025 and Venture X continues to be one of the best overall values in the travel card market. It's designed for travelers who want a luxurious experience without overspending on annual fees. The card offers a blend of high reward rates, airport lounge access, and flexible points that you can transfer to a wide network of airline and hotel partners. On the other hand, we have the Chase Sapphire Reserve card, a long-standing powerhouse in the premium card scene since 2016. It's been the go-to card for serious travelers who want exceptional travel protection, access to the elite Chase Ultimate Rewards ecosystem, and a reliable network of transfer partners. In 2025, it remains a top-tier option for those who value first-class experiences, generous points on travel and dining, and robust travel insurance protections. So while both cards are tailored to travelers, Venture X leans into simplicity and value, while Sapphire Reserve aims to deliver depth and elite flexibility. Now let's unpack what they each bring to the table. Here are the main features of both cards. We start with Capital One Venture X. It has a welcome bonus of 75,000 miles when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months from account opening. How about the earning rates? You also earn 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5 times miles on flights through Capital One Travel, and 2 times miles on everything else. How about the lounge access? You get access to the Priority Pass plus Capital One lounges. There's also an anniversary bonus of 10,000 bonus miles every account anniversary. And there's the annual travel credit of up to $300 statement credits for bookings through Capital One Travel. You also get a $120 credit for global entry or TSA pre-check. There's also claimed to be primary rental car insurance, trip delay coverage, and no transaction fees. How about the Chase Sapphire Reserve? You get a welcome bonus of 100,000 points plus $500 Chase travel promo credits after you spend $5,000 in purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. On the website, it has been claimed that this is the best offer ever. How about the earning rates? You earn 8 times points on all purchases through Chase Travel, including the edits. You earn 4 times points on flights booked direct. Also 4 times points on hotels booked direct, 3 times points on dining worldwide, and 1 times point on all other purchases. You also get a $300 annual travel credits, a $469 Priority Pass Select membership. You also get a complimentary IHG One Rewards Platinum Elite status with your Sapphire Reserve card through December 31, 2027. There are lots of other credits that you get, for example subscriptions, Dash Pass membership, DoorDash promos, and other credits. How about airport lounge access? You get access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide with your complimentary Priority Pass Select membership. There's also travel protection, purchase coverage, dedicated customer service, and lots more. Now let us talk about the pricing of each of the cards. First, the Capital One Venture X. It has an annual fee of $395. And for the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card, it has an annual fee of $795. It costs $195 for each authorized user. What are the pros and cons of using these cards? First, the pros. For Capital One Venture X, lower annual fee than most premium cards. It has excellent welcome and anniversary bonuses, and the lounge access at the airports is free. How about the pros of Chase Sapphire Reserve? Industry best travel protections, strong welcome offer, in fact, one of the very best ever, strong dining and travel rewards, and access to more high-value transfer partners. How about the cons? For Capital One Venture X, the 300 travel credits only works through Capital One Travel. There are fewer airline and hotel transfer partners. And for Chase Sapphire Reserve, the annual fee is very high. And if you're not a frequent traveler by air, this card might not be for you. So, if you're looking for maximum value with minimal headache, Capital One Venture X is incredibly hard to beat in 2025. However, if you are a frequent traveler who values flexibility, transfer partners, and elite protections, Chase Sapphire Reserve still holds the crown for travel power users. Well, at the end of the day, your best choice comes down to how you travel. If you want simple and valuable with fewer fees, go with Venture X. But if you want flexibility, premium perks, and top tier protection, then Chase Sapphire Reserve remains a strong, elite option. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore American Express Platinum Card, Chase Sapphire Preferred, and Wells Fargo Autograph Journey. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.